is the doctor?
La grippe. Yeah, your mama and grandma have got it pretty bad.
What exactly is la grippe?
Oh, it's just a fancy name for a cold that's throwing a shoe is all. Andrew, you be sure and take your medicine, you hear?
I ain't got the strength to take it. They'll have to give it to me.
Effie, you take yours too. Hell, Lucy, there ain't a man living could put all three Hanks out of commission like that. And yet, a few tiny bugs did it. That beats me.
I read Dr. Pasteur in Paris says that many diseases are caused by germs too small to be seen with the naked eye.
Dr. Pasteur. You know, he's only trying to build up a case for those fancy French germs. No. I'll take our good old American germs any day. Oh, here. Hey, you give him a dose of this twice a day. And plenty of liquids.
Yes, doctor.
Young lady, I've got a little advice for you. Oh, now, I'm a doctor. I can take it. But now, you just be a mite careful. The way you use that word, naked, in front of ordinary folks. Even when you're talking about an eye.
Yes, sir.
Well, good day to you.
Thank you for coming, doctor.
Oh, it's all right, it's all right.
Bye.
Bye.
What is this? I'm not afraid of you. Or you. Or you either.
Here's the legend about the Hanks in pistols and petticoats.
Henrietta could fire a gun with one hand milking the goat and hit a coyote on the run
In pistols and petticoats, the story goes that Grandma was best.
kept shooting buttons off a rustler's vest.
Grandpa kept his gun in trim. Nobody messed around with him. That's the legend about the Hanks, just the way she was wrote. They kept busy protecting banks in pistols and petticoats.
You coming too? You faint again, woman. I'll see that you stay fainted permanent. Cat, I want you outside as a lookout. I said I wanted you outside.
Hey, Virgil! There ain't nobody upstairs but 3 old folks.
They see you.
No, but it wouldn't make no difference, because all 3 of them are sicker than mice inside a snake.
You shouldn't have gone up there.
Why not?
They've got cholera. You'll all get it. It's very contagious.
Cholera? Virgil, I can't take no cholera. I almost died from a bee sting once.
Boy, wear that your brains. Don't you remember the doc said they all had la grippe?
That's right, he did, didn't he? Well, she's a tricky one, ain't she?
You know what? No.
Oh, come on, Virgil, just one.
No.
With the left hand?
No.
Dang.
Thank you. You are a gentleman, sir.
No, I ain't. I just know if Leroy smacks you, he'll bust you in 2 or something. And he needs you. You stop boy-eyeing this girl. Go see what Cat's doing outside.
Oh, dang.
Me and Leroy and Cat, we robbed the gold shipment out of Sorry Water.
Off the train?
Off the train. He keeping guard out there, Leroy?
Oh, he's all right, Verge. He's just out there chasing the chickens.
I don't want him chasing any dang chickens. You tell him what'll happen if he don't quit it.
Hey, Cat! Virgil says if you don't quit chasing them chickens, you ain't gonna get no more balloons.
Now, where at was I?
You said that you robbed the train. Isn't that a federal offense?
Oh, sure it is. Especially since we stole the government payroll. And that's where you come in. We're going to stay here a few days.
Oh, but you can't.
Sure we can.
We're going to be staying quite a while, lady, till the outside world forgets that gold was ever stole. And you're going to help us by doing the best play acting you ever did. Done.
People come out here. Oh, we have lots of visitors.
Well, that's what the play acting is for. You're going to make like you're all alone. You know why?
I think so. You'll shoot me if I don't.
This is a right smart girl, Leroy. You got a rack of guns over there. You better check the rest of the house, see if they got any more around.
Check the rest of the house. Now?
Now. You play that music machine yonder?
A little.
Good, because we got us a long wait. May as well make it homey like. You play me something relaxing like Polly shot her papa.
I don't know Polly shot her papa.
It don't make no difference. I can't tell one tune from another no ways. Play.
I've never seen so many guns in all my life. They must have had a gun hid under everything.
Naturally. You get a bunch of old people in a house, and they're scared of their shadows. They see you?
No, they never so much as rolled over. Wouldn't make no difference no way. They're three of the puniest humans I ever clapped eyes on.
We can hide the guns later. You keep playing. Let's watch you, little lady. Sure sits a great bench.
All right, chicken thief, catch me a cloud. Oh, that means put your hands up in the air. Well, I guess I'll just have to show you. Did you ever have this happen to you? You know, just a minute ago, I was just like grease lightning. How come you're waving that gun?
Play. With two hands.
Look here. Cat caught himself a sheriff.
Harold!
I caught me a chicken thief, Lucy. He almost grabbed that bandy rooster that your mother set such a store by. How do you do? I'm Sheriff Harold, Tice from, Wretched.
We're going to have to tie him up, Leroy, and throw him in the closet. Good work, Cat.
Birds? Can I give Cat a balloon?
Sure.
Who are these people?
Don't antagonize them, Harold. They're all insane.
Well, they act kind of crazy, too.
Grandma.
Morning, dear.
Mama's feeling much better.
Good.
How do you feel this morning?
Well, punier than a bull, but stronger than a chicken. Speaking of chickens, they've been restless lately.
Oh, some animal's been at 'em, I guess. Now, you eat this and give some to Grandpa when he wakes up.
I'm awake. Just ain't got the strength to turn over.
I've been hearing voices downstairs. Harold come over?
Harold? Oh, yes, Harold. Is there anything else I can do for you?
No, dear, but if I keep on feeling better, I think I'll come down for supper.
Oh, no.
Why not?
Don't come down until your strength returns.
Well, she's a real good girl, Verge. She didn't try to give no secret signals to the old folks.
They all still sick?
Oh, it don't make no difference. All three of them at full strength couldn't worry a feather pillow off in the bed.
May I see Harold, please?
Go see.
What have they done to you?
They didn't do nothing to me. I did it all by myself, trying to get loose. Lucy, untie me quick. I think I can handle him for you.
Better tie him up again, Leroy.
Verge,
Yeah.
what makes you think he'd lose?
If you was a girl and your beau was in the closet, wouldn't you untie him?
Yeah.
Come on, Lucy, hurry up. Come on, you almost got it.
Now, don't try that again, girl. Oh, boy, oh, boy.
Now, girl, we got company.
Sweet dreams, Sheriff.
Lucy, what the Sam Hill is going on here?
Well, if it ain't the doc. You got another closet around here, girl?
No. Let him go, please.
Leroy, I'm gonna take him out in the kitchen and toss him into the wood box.
Oh, well, now, just a minute. If you think
Doctor, don't fight them. They mean what they say.
Verge, don't you think that Cat deserves another balloon?
Sure.
Hey, Verge, we've been here for 3 days now. Could we just dig up that gold and move on?
Nope. I'm gonna stay here a full week. You see to them prisoners?
Well, I walked him around the house a couple of times. He asked me for some water, but I didn't want to pamper him. Hey, girl, that paper-headed sheriff your beau?
He is not paper-headed. He'll put the three of you out of business. You'll see.
Not the way he's got it figured. He says them folks upstairs are real fierce when they get riled. Says they can outshoot us any day of the week.
That right, girl? You folks gonna come down here and make us sorry for our sinning?
If my mama and my grandpa and my grandma were ill, they'd horsewhip you within every inch of your life.
Don't talk so fierce, girl. You're scaring us to death.
Them folks of yours about as dangerous as the day-old duck.
Andrew, there's men downstairs.
It's better than having fairies at the bottom of your garden.
I'm feeling much perkier today. I'm going downstairs and see what's going on.
Effie, if you find out what they're laughing at down there, come back and tell me. I'm crying all over.
Girl, you better start praying your folks stay sick.
We're running out of hiding places down here. Pretty soon we're gonna have to start killing folks.
Cat, you go on outside and stand guard. And no more chicken chasing. Leroy, you do the dishes.
Dishes?
Yeah. Now, this little girl's gonna play me Polly shot her papa. Thank you, girl. What was that?
Maybe Mr. Leroy broke his neck.
That's funny. Broom must be in the parlor closet.
How'd that get busted?
How would I know? I was in the parlor.
Oh, hello, Harold, dear.
Clean it up.
How are you going to do it?
Fetch him a broom. I said fetch him a broom, lest you want me to whomp you like I just whomped Leroy.
It's not in here. It's probably in the parlor closet. Oh, hello, Harold. Have you seen the broom?
Broom ain't here. You're gonna have to use something else to clean it up. Now get going.
Dang.
Play.
That ain't the spookiest. I wonder if there really is fairies.
Good day, children. I'm Lucy's grandma, young man.
Leroy, get in here.
Present the gentleman, Lucy.
This is, Virgil.
Mapes.
Are you holding us up, young man?
Leroy, I thought you said everybody was sick upstairs.
Well, don't blame the poor boy. He's being the best cutthroat he knows how. Oh, dear, you mustn't let our guests do the dishes. Give me the apron, Mr. Leroy. I'll clean up. You sit here and listen to Lucy while she plays.
What's going on here?
These men are vicious criminals.
I know, dear. Well, while they're with us, they're entitled to the common courtesies. How many will there be for dinner?
3.
I see. That means you posted a lookout. You do well in business, Mr. May. Dear, don't chase the chickens, dear. Make some pigeony lay an egg. Oh, by the way, while I think of it, Mr. Mapes, you do well to warn your boys to be alert. We shall make an occasional attempt to escape. You'll be about sick.
Oh, hello, Papa. I see you're up.
I must be. I ain't laying there in bed. You see my 6-gun?
Nope, ain't seen mine neither. I hope if Lucy's cleaning them again, she ain't dunking them in soap and water like she did the last time.
She's been playing that melodeon day and night. The sound must have driven out my germs.
They say La Grippe leaves as fast as he comes. That's Mama's cooking. Come on, Papa, I'm hungry again.
Oh.
You like country gravy, Mr. Leroy, dear?
Look, lady, I don't like you and I don't trust you. So you just keep mixing and quit the palaver.
Of course, dear.
All right, lady. March. We're gonna tell Verge what you done to me.
Yeah, well, the grip must have left me weaker than I thought. Well, hello, Doc, dear.
Virgil? She hit me on the head with a frying pan.
You boys fix the side quick. Now you stay right where you are, both of you don't move.
Who are you, sweetie?
May I explain it to the Mr. Mapes? You seem a little tense to be coherent. These gentlemen robbed a government payroll, and they required a place to hide. So they chose us, which shows a little taste. Mr. Mapes was farsighted enough to hide every gun in the house, so resistance is useless at the moment. He also has Harold locked in that closet, and Doc is in the wood bin. There's a Mr. Cat outside. And this is Mr. Leroy, who has a remarkably thick skull. And this is Mr. Virgil Mapes, my daughter and my husband. Dinner's ready, everybody?
What are we having for dinner, Mama? This is the first time I've been hungry in 3 days.
We've been here 4 days now, and Lucy's been playing the same tune.
Well, I offered to play for Mr. Mapes, but he says I don't set the bench like Lucy does.
Shut up, the two of you.
Feel better today, Mama?
Good as new.
Papa?
Raring to go. Which one, daughter?
The one standing up. Mama and me'll take care of the other one.
Virgil, I got me a feeling they're talking about us.
Well, I don't want anybody talking at all when the girl is playing. You hear that, lady?
Yes, sir.
Oh, Mr. Cat, would you leave the chickens alone? Come in here, please.
Don't worry, ladies! Don't worry, ladies, I'm gonna save you.
Maybe some other time.
Harold, are you all right?
I think. Oh, yes, ma'am. I sure am. Well, it's just as I suspected. It's Le Grip. Be a few days before you can jail him.
Well, they better not try anything. Not while me and old Rough and Ready are here to keep an eye on them.
Doc, Mr. Cat wants a favor. Do you think it'd do any harm if he was there?
Well, I don't go for pampering outlaws, but, all right, go ahead.
Help yourself, Mr. Cat.